Hi there, welcome back to Alpha Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Nova CRM, which is basically a AI-driven CRM, but for real estate businesses. Okay, so first of all, we can see that the headline is very clear, and the sub-headline is also very transparent in terms of what this agentic AI helps you do, like following up leads on social media, marketing and more. I like when headlines are very clear like this and there's no guessing about the purpose of the software. And then you can also book a demo if you wish, right underneath the headline. Here they go more in depth about how to use this software, and it states that you can use it if you are by yourself, if you are in a team, or even for brokerages or real estate brokers. Right. Here they go more in depth about the tools that they provide and all the features like a smart chat assistant or even a smart call assistant, right? So here we go more in depth about all the services as before. They offer lead generation, communication, engagement, things like this. Also, got nice features that it's apparently 100% customizable based on your actual needs. And also, like most softwares, they offer more than 6,000 plus integrations that you can have, and this makes it even more convenient to use if you are looking to connect this to other platforms, right? Now, um, I guess it would have been nice to see some elements of credibility a little bit earlier on. Obviously, this is a really, really nice video, but uh, these um, testimonials are really good. They look really nice. I like the sliding effect. However, it would have been helpful because if you look here, we are literally nearly near the end of the homepage, and it's not guaranteed that visitors gonna get all the way down to the to this side to you know to this page. And so it might be helpful to have these testimonials right above, even above the fold. But if you couldn't do that, then straight after the headline if you could. But yeah, these testimonials are pretty good, and you can slide them. They look really nice as well. I like the fading effect. And here they clearly state how, for example, CRM emails, tools, and monthly planner make client communication effortless and keep that team organized and productive. Okay. So again, this is really good for credibility. And again, they've got a slideshow of all the brands that they've worked with previously. As I said, may have been helpful to have this right at the top of the page and not so far down because I feel like prospects want to see credibility immediately. Okay. But what they do well here at the bottom is that they've got a section with frequently asked questions, and these are very helpful to handle any objections that a prospect might have about investing in your software. Again, all the things that I personally would have put at the top is that they've got really good um, evidence of awards that they've won, like top performer on SourceForge, a lot of high rating reviews on Capterra, and also G2 and things like platforms like this. So yeah, I guess the only one of the main critics that I would have is that they could have put the credibility elements a little bit higher up the page. Just for completion, we can go and check on the actual pricing page to see what it looks like. And yeah, we unfortunately you're gonna have to request the pricing. And I guess this is helpful in order to increase the number of qualified leads that they get through the door at the cost of having the a larger number of leads in total. But I guess if they're only interested in more qualified leads, then it would make sense. And to be fair, because they are working with real estate businesses, it might make more sense in their case. But yeah, each feature is clearly explained underneath the each tier anyway, so I guess that works. And from a conversion rate optimization standpoint, what I would say
Meet Avon
is
AI,
that
your new smart
I
real
don't know
estate
where the video
assistant.
started. Just muted it. Uh, yeah. So, well, as I was saying, from a conversion rate standpoint, what I would say is they could have, there's some tests that we would run is potentially A/B tests in order to see if moving the position of some elements would increase the number of conversions. And in this case, I would definitely experiment with um, lifting the credibility elements like the logos and the testimonials. I would put them higher up the page. And also, I would analyze where most of the prospects are spending their time using heat maps, like click maps and scroll maps. Okay, so that we can maximize the actual attention of the users. But other than that, this is everything for today. I hope you guys liked the video. And if you are a SaaS founder and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials, free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.